Position the window frame to the predetermined location on the wall. Ensure that the distance on both sides remains the same. To guarantee the frame is centered, use a level to align the window frame and ensure it is level. Make holes at suitable positions on the window frame. Use a level to ensure that the window frame is level with the floor. Screw the window frame, ensuring the screws are evenly distributed and sufficient in number. Place the gaskets before installing the glass. Carefully install the glass into the window frame, ensuring it fits tightly against the frame. Repeat the above steps to complete the installation of all glasses. Install the glass edging, ensuring it is flat and fits snugly. Finally, install the sealant strip to enhance the sealing performance of the window. Identify the direction through the logo on the sash glass to ensure correct installation. Install the window accessories into the window frame and fix them according to the video instructions. Follow the video guide to install window locks. Install the accessories based on the position of the sash lock points, ensuring accurate installation. Accessories should be installed with the window handle open in the transverse position to ensure correct installation. Leave an appropriate space without pressing tightly against the lock point to ensure smooth opening and closing of the window. Install other accessories under the window frame, also noting to leave a space. After installation, check if the window functions normally, including opening, closing, and locking. Once everything is normal, complete the installation work.